Welcome back to AI Beginner's Circle. Today we're starting part 1 of creating a consistent AI character. I'll show you how to upload your reference image into Google Gemini, extract the exact character traits, and recreate the character accurately using the Nano Banana model. Step 1. Upload to Google Gemini. Start by uploading your artist or character's main portrait to Google Gemini. This allows Gemini to analyze the image with precision. Step 2. Get the structured character breakdown. If you don't already have a master prompt for your image, you can request one now for future references by typing something like, "Describe this character's appearance in precise detail, including clothing, lighting, accessories, color palette, and overall style. Format in a bullet list. The information will come back with great detail." Then ask Gemini. Rewrite this as a single reusable AI character prompt optimized for Nano Banana. You now have what is called the master prompt. Step 4. Use Nano Banana to generate consistent variations. Nano Banana is best for face consistency, maintaining proportions, avoiding distortions. In the same chat as the uploaded image, you can now request to recreate the image with consistency. I will type, "I would like to regenerate the image with Nano Banana." Use the previous uploaded image in chat of the AI-generated character, keeping the body and clothing consistent. Also, keep a highly consistent facial helmet structure. Only change the scene. Place the character in a scene with a background of futuristic nightclub. While in the same chat, I'm going to use the same prompt to place the character in a different scene. This time, I will say background of stylized studio lighting with blue and purple neon glows. Backdrop featuring abstract holographic sound waves. While in the same chat, I'm going to use the same prompt to place the character in a different scene. This time, I will say background of stylized studio lighting with blue and purple neon glows. Backdrop featuring abstract holographic sound waves. Using the same background and character consistency, place the character behind a DJ nightclub soundboard setup. That completes part 1. You now have a master character prompt ready for long-term use in other programs. You also know how to create consistent images right from the Google Gemini chat using Nano Banana. Next, in part 2, we'll upload that character into OpenArt.ai and lock in a permanent consistent character profile. This method removes the need to upload a picture every time a new image is created, if that's your preference. Welcome to part 2 of consistent AI character creation. Now we'll turn your character into a fully consistent AI model using OpenArt.ai. So after going to the home page, you're going to choose character, then the create character drop-down option. You want to choose the most accurate portrait of your character and upload it to OpenArt's consistent character tool. You can start with 4 or more images, 1 image or description. If we didn't have an image, we would start with a description, but because we do have an image, we are going to start with 1 image. Choose the most accurate portrait of your character and upload it to OpenArt's consistent character tool. The upload will capture the base face, costume or outfit, and signature elements. We are going to write the name. Then we're going to upload the reference image. And then you're going to hit Create Character. After the character is created, it can be accessed by going to Image Home and choosing Character on the left side list of image options. We are going to generate 3 to 5 test images to ensure consistency. At the top, you should see your character selected. In the prompt, you'll notice it says at your character's name, in my case at DJ Infinite Multiverse, because this is going to make sure that your character follows everything you enter in the prompt. I'm going to scroll down to look at the character settings. I am going to leave on the button that says Keep Clothes the Same. If you toggle this button off, their clothes will change, and if you leave it on, as it says, the clothes will stay the same. I am going to increase the amount of weight to the maximum of 1.2. This ensures that the character features remain the same as the original image. We are going to go down to output size and choose the size of the image we want to create. For me, I'm going to create a cinema size 16 by 9. And finally, we're going to choose the number of output images. The default is 2. The maximum number is 8. You will notice that each image costs 10 credits. I'm going to choose the maximum of 8, so I can have a variety of generations to choose from. AI does not always get it right, and having more images gives more opportunity for one that will be to your liking. Alright, so we went through the settings, and now I am going to enter the prompt that I've created. Prompt 1 is a concert stage with holographic lights and DJ turntables. Here is prompt 1. Prompt 2. Prompt 3. Prompt 4. Prompt 5. From now on, every visual you make will match. Thumbnails, music videos, comics, story episodes, everything. Your consistent character profile is now fully built and available for ongoing image creation. Welcome back to the AI Beginner Circle. Today is a quick interlude where I show you one of the biggest hidden superpowers of AI creation: generating B-roll prompts using your existing ChatGPT thread. When you make an AI music video for an artist, you need environments, transitions, and filler clips that match the vibe. ChatGPT helps you create all of those instantly. We are going to make a few B-roll images for the music video while we're still in the same chat. Because everything is created in one thread, ChatGPT already understands the character, color palette, neon, cyberpunk tone, and story direction. It generates perfectly matched B-roll without re-explaining anything. I'm going to type, "Give me 5 prompts to create B-roll variations that would match the tone of these images and scenes from a music video." Continue the futuristic neon color scheme and environment. Give a scene in a nightclub where a diverse group of beautiful futuristic women are drinking neon pink martinis. Scene in a nightclub where a diverse group of beautiful futuristic women are dancing on the dance floor. And give me 2 random additional filler scenes that you believe would fit the tone and imagery of the video. Here, I want ChatGPT to decide based off everything so far, and give me some random images that I may not have thought of, so we'll see what it gives. Alright, it says, here are 5 high-quality B-roll prompts crafted specifically to match the futuristic neon tone. We have the neon nightclub prompt for diverse women with pink martinis. We have the neon dance floor, diverse, future, realistic women dancing. We have a filler scene of holographic bar drinks pouring themselves. A filler scene of Neon City Street with floating holograms. A cosmic travel scene. We will go back over to OpenArt.ai to enter these new prompts. I'm just going to start at the top and go one by one and get our filler images. The first one says, futuristic neon nightclub filled with glowing magenta, blue, and gold lights. Diverse group of beautiful futuristic women sit at a sleek holographic bar holding neon pink martinis that emit a soft glow. So this is prompt number 1, neon nightclub diverse women with neon pink martinis. I'm going to create 2 images. Alright, so far, so good. Now we're going to go to prompt 2, futuristic women dancing. Alright, that works. We're going to go to prompt number 3, which is filler scene, holographic bar drink pouring themselves. That seems interesting. Let's see what ChatGPT has created with that one. Okay, guess we can work with that. We are in a nightclub, right? This is filler scene of Neon City Street with floating holograms. Cool. And the final scene, it says it is a cosmic traveler scene, DJ Infinite Multiverse Energy Tunnel point of view. Alright, that's it? A quick but powerful tool for consistent visuals. We use the understanding of the chat thread to create images that match the scene and the tone to give us prompts and create these images in OpenArt.ai or whatever is your preferred image generation program. Because these images do not use a consistent character, it does not require OpenAI character profile. It can be used in any image generation system that you prefer, such as Midjourney or Leonardo. Just create these images based off the prompt to fill in the scenes for your music video. So now we have images of our character, then we have images of the scene, and next we're going to animate some of these for our music video. Welcome back to the AI Beginner's Circle. Today we're taking the next step in creating our full AI music video, turning our still images into animated motion using Kling AI. Start by uploading one of the still images we generated earlier. I'm using one of our neon nightclub shots for this tutorial. The first option is no prompt animation. This tells Kling AI to interpret motion based solely on the image. Without adding any text in the prompt box, click Generate. Let Kling produce a motion scene. This is great when you just want natural breathing motion, lights flickering, slight camera movement, people shifting. It keeps everything subtle and realistic. Next, let's animate a scene, but with a prompt. This gives you much more control over the outcome. Upload an image. Type a prompt. I will type, "The camera zooms in slowly as one glass tips over and spills." Generate. This works great when you want specific results. As you can see, I only asked for one glass to tip over, but it did all three. Not a big deal here, but depending on the results, sometimes you may have to regenerate. Because Kling reads both the prompt and the image, the results are usually very close. Now the advanced method, using a start and end frame. Upload a still image for start frame. I generate the animation with no prompt. That works well. I open CapCut on desktop. I import the video we just created. I add it to the timeline. I scroll to the very last image and export it as a still frame. I choose 4K. I head back over to Kling. I switch our original image to the end frame. I upload our exported still image as the begin frame. By using the still from the end frame of the first video as the begin frame here, we can put the next clip right after and make it appear to seamlessly continue into the next clip, giving the appearance as one video. Remember, most programs can only generate 10 seconds of video at this time, and to make anything longer, you must stitch together a string of clips. By using our original image as the end frame, the clip will start back where they all began. Making it appear, the dance routine loops around to where they first started. That's how you turn still images into animated cinematic motion using Kling AI. Here is the still image we began with. Here is what it looks like after we put both videos together on the timeline. We'll continue building the DJ Infinite Multiverse music video in the next episode, using these animated scenes as building blocks. Welcome back to the AI Beginner's Circle. Today we're doing a lip sync video using Kling AI with our new character Solaria Vega. Solaria Vega is perfect for lip sync because we can clearly see her face. The first thing I did for the new character Solaria Vega was crop her out of the picture with DJ Multiverse so the AI programs will not confuse characters. I uploaded her solo image to Gemini and requested a front-facing view, back view, a quarter view, and a full body view in combat boots. I then went over to OpenArt.ai to create her character profile. This time I chose Start with 4 or more images. We click into her profile and create test images. If the first images are not to your liking, generate more until you find one that works. There are some programs that work well with side and angle profiles, but for the most part, lip sync works best with front-facing images like the one shown here. I'll upload this still image into Kling AI. I prefer to animate the image before lip syncing. It tends to make the character look more realistic that way. So I entered a prompt that instructs to make the character move naturally, as if she were speaking to the camera. Her head, hands, and mouth should move naturally, and she should have conversational-like hand gestures. Click the lip sync option. Choose a voice.
I find the author's perspective on socio-economic issues quite thought-provoking. What's your take?
Type in the dialogue. Click Add Speech. Then Generate. Here's what we get.
Maybe it's time to stop traveling alone. The multiverse feels different when someone walks beside you. What do you say, traveler? Want some company?
Kling AI does a great job matching facial movement and emotion. This is perfect for story scenes, cutaways, music videos, or narrative dialogue. Now let's try something harder. DJ Infinite Multiverse. His face is fully hidden behind a mirrored helmet, so traditional lip sync won't work. Since he has no mouth, the trick is not to lip sync. Instead, we use animated gestures and camera motion to simulate communication. Create an animated Kling motion with a prompt such as, the character nods slightly while turning their head, expressive body language, the character lifts a hand to gesture while speaking. Now we generate the dialogue with 11 labs and use a voice-over technique to make it appear he is talking.
Say what you want, but the traveler does not get lonely, not with all the worlds left to explore. I am DJ Multiverse.
That's it for this quick lip sync episode. Welcome back to the AI Beginner's Circle. This is the final step, assembling our entire AI music video for DJ Infinite Multiverse. We'll combine the B-roll, animations, branding logos, and the full Suno track inside CapCut, and finish the journey from idea to complete music video. Open CapCut, new project, import your music track. Your entire edit will be based on the audio. Place the full track down first so everything matches the beat. Use CapCut's beat snapping feature by pressing the beat sync and choosing automark beats 1 or 2, your choice, but 1 is usually fine. Next, import everything else created so far. artist images, branding overlay, B-roll images, and Kling AI animated clips. After importing all assets, the timeline becomes a canvas. Here you can use your creativity. You can use all images, all video, or a mix of both. Have fun and enjoy the process. Start laying all of your images and video clips. Every clip should match the energy of the song. Use B-roll during transitions and use your character scenes during emotional or epic moments. Use transitions sparingly. The goal is cinematic, not chaotic. Think of your visuals like breathing. Intensity rises and falls with the track. Using a filter pulls all your clips together visually, so the entire project feels like one universe. And that's it. We've taken an AI character from concept to branding to music to storytelling, all the way to a complete cinematic AI music video. If you followed along from episode 1, you now have everything you need to build your own AI universe. Learn, share, grow. AI Beginner's Circle.
Signal rise, infinity, synchronize. Ride the rhythm, infinite sky, binary dreams with the planets fly. Loop the pulse, never say goodbye. We are forever digital. fly, loop the pulse, never say goodbye. We are forever. Digit high.